Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to install TrollApps in iPhone or iPad. TrollApps is an alternative to the iOS App Store for TrollStore users. TrollApps allows users to download apps from repositories and install them directly in TrollStore. TrollApps works on iOS 14.0 and up. Let's start the process. First of all, you need to download the TrollStore IPA file from their official GitHub page. I will put the link in the description. TrollStore is a universal TrollStore installer. It focuses on being extremely reliable and easy to use. It is also very fast and being able to install TrollStore and its persistence helper in a matter of seconds on the latest devices. Once TrollStore IPA file downloaded, now simply open Safari and open this web page. Then hit on Download DNS Profile. Then hit Allow to download the profile. Now go back to Settings and install the downloaded profile.
So I gotta get through it, and the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it.
Now open the installed profile app on your home screen, and then hit on e-sign certificate, and then save it in your download files.
I'm just being genuine.
Now open the installed profile app again, and then hit one of the links to install eSign app. I always use Aldo Group link. It always worked for me. If one link don't work, you can try other different links to install eSign app.
Listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on.
Once eSign app installed successfully, now open Settings, and then open General, then open VPN and Device Management. Then simply open your Aldo Group link, and then trust the app to use eSign app in your iPhone. Now open the eSign app, and then hit 3 dots on top. Then hit on Import, and then select the eSign certificate we have downloaded earlier. Now hit on eSign certificate and then select Unzip. Now open the eSign Unzip certificate folder and look for your certificate. Just make sure use the same name certificate you have downloaded the eSign app earlier. I have used the Aldo Group link, so I will select the Aldo Group certificate, then just hit Import Certificate Management. Once the certificate imported successfully, now go back and hit 3 dots again, and then hit Import. Now select the TrollStore IPA file we have downloaded earlier. Once TrollStore IPA file imported successfully, now hit on Apps, and then hit on TrollStore app, and then hit on Signature, and then hit Signature again. Then simply hit Install to install TrollStore app in your iPhone. Once TrollStore installed in your iPhone, simply open the app, and then hit on TrollStore. Now wait for TrollStore app to install TrollStore in your device. If it asks for persistence helper, then select Tips.
I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Once you have TrollStore installed in your iPhone, now you need to go to TrollApps GitHub page and download the TrollApps IPA file. I will put the link in the description. After downloading the TrollApps IPA file, now open TrollStore and hit plus button on top, and then hit Install IPA, and then select the TrollApps IPA file, and then hit Install to install TrollApps in your iPhone. Before opening the TrollApps, first open the settings in the TrollStore, and then enable URL scheme, and then hit Rebuild now. Your phone will restart. After restart, now you are good to use TrollApps in your iOS device. And that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.